Why are we doing the stars of the event, stars of the industry events every quarter? Because our industry just doesn't exist without all of you. You are the stars and the ambassadors of our industry, and you make and can even break our industry. And without you, your bosses can just go home. And that's really true. So today we celebrate you and we recognize you all, and we just want to give you a little bit of a spotlight because you all deserve it very much.